Merry Christmas. To support Florida Car Show at flcarshow.com.
Look at this. I'm going to tell you 3 of them today. This is a 1967. Probably got a 302 in there. Look how clean that is. Wow. Ooh, look at that dashboard. Man. We're gonna go fast. We're gonna go fast. You only got so much video before. Oh, look at that. 5-speed. Wow. Clean with the stripes. That is clean. 1966. Look at this. Wow. It's a 64 and a half. If you are an old blue oval lover like me and you want to see more Mustangs, click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.